officials of Department of Education, Yusek Ronald Mendoza, ASEC Roger Masapol, also the Deputy Secretary's representative to the CMU's Governing Board, ASEC Georgina Yang, officials of our sister centers, Circa Center Director, Glenn Gregorio, incoming Circa Center Director, Marcelina Sombilla, Circa Deputy Director for Programs, Noor Asra Binti Adam, Circa Deputy Director for Administration, Joselito Florendo, and officials of Circa, who are also my good friends, full force sila, Dean of the College of Public Health and Center Director of Tropman, Fernando Garcia, officials from UP Diliman, UP School of Economics Research Director Carl Handog, and UP School of Economics College Secretary Sara Daway Bucanes, former DTI Undersecretary Pita Alaba, former Simyo Innotech Center Director Ramon Bacani, Simyo Innotech Center Deputy Director Cochacorn Asidre, managers, officials, and dedicated staff of the Simyo Innotech. Good morning. Good morning. I am honored and privileged to accept the appointment as the Center Director of the Simyo Regional Center for Educational Innovation and Technology, or Simyo Innotech, an intergovernmental body established through an agreement between the Philippine government and Simyo. It is truly an honor and a responsibility to lead Simyo Innotech in fulfilling its mission of addressing the educational challenges faced by the member states through innovative, technology-driven training programs, research and development, and information dissemination. As the 10th Center Director, I acknowledge the foundation established by my predecessors. With your support and collaboration, we will build upon their successes and elevate our standards of excellence. Let us steer this STEAM organization toward a transformation that aligns with the Center's mission of addressing educational challenges in Southeast Asia. These challenges include significant disparities in academic quality and access between urban and rural areas, underfunded public schools, a shortage of qualified teachers, particularly in rural regions, high dropout rates, gender inequality in education, and a substantial gap in achievement levels among students from different socioeconomic backgrounds. All of these raise concerns about equity and quality of education across Southeast Asia. By integrating advanced technologies, including data science, artificial intelligence, and sustainable practices, we at Simyo Innotech will develop innovative solutions that will positively impact the education sector in the region. Further, as we fulfill our role in initiating and catalyzing the exchange of ideas and expertise in the region, we must embrace the diversity of thought and culture that defines Southeast Asia. Let us be the bridge that connects nations, fosters collaboration, and speeds up the progress of our region toward a brighter future. We will actively engage with strategic partners who can enhance the impact of Simyo's Innotech initiatives. Just as fuel is necessary for an engine to run, funds are essential for Simyo Innotech to conduct cutting-edge research, training, and international forums, among other initiatives designed to address common Southeast Asian issues and promote trust and understanding among member nations. But we will ensure that we deploy these funds as efficiently and impactfully for the common good as possible. Under my leadership, Simyo Innotech will commit to strengthening its partnership to enhance the relevance and impact of our initiatives. As a relatively young and dynamic leader, I aim to introduce fresh and innovative methods for engaging various partners. With your help and cooperation, let us foster trust and inspire confidence among potential supporters by demonstrating our commitment to fulfilling our mission, upholding professionalism, and inclusive leadership. In the process, we can secure the necessary resources to drive transformative change, ensuring Simyo Innotech's success and sustainability in addressing educational challenges in Southeast Asia. Simyo Innotech has a rich legacy, and our collective responsibility is to ensure that we uphold and enhance that legacy for the benefit of our nation and the broader region of Southeast Asia. Thus, I call upon the cooperation of each of you, both guests and managers and staff, to be catalysts of positive change. Our journey forward is an opportunity to showcase the resilience and brilliance of our team, Simyo Innotech. Let us embrace change with enthusiasm and determination. Our success lies in the collective efforts of a dedicated team. And I have a complete confidence that together we can achieve remarkable milestones and raise the bar of excellence at Simyo Innotech. Can I count on you? Let us write a new chapter for Simyo Innotech, one filled with innovation, collaboration, and a steadfast commitment to making positive impact in the Southeast Asian education sector. With God's grace, let us move toward a stronger, more vibrant, transformed Simyo Innotech. Thank you again, and